Did you know many people are having trouble with connecting their HP DeskJet 3630 printer to Wi-Fi? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Activate Wi-Fi Direct. Turn on your HP DeskJet 3630 printer and activate Wi-Fi Direct by pressing the Wi-Fi Direct button until the indicator light is on. Step 2. Connect to network. On your device, open Wi-Fi settings and search for available networks. Connect to the network that matches the format Direct HP DeskJet 3630 series. Step 3. Enter password. If prompted, enter the Wi-Fi Direct password available by printing a network configuration report from your printer. Step 4. Open printer software. Once connected, open the printer software on your device or use the HP Smart app to manage print jobs and settings. Step 5. Confirm connection. Use the HP Printer Setup utility to confirm connection settings and start printing wirelessly with Wi-Fi Direct. Now you should be able to connect your HP DeskJet 3630 printer to Wi-Fi and start printing wirelessly. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other HP users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.